Dipu beltola along Jonaya Tio nam Prokar Jabarni Katalong. MGN Regas Kimpen Pewas Blok Kecilengan Towar Keselam Jia Panlongnya di Malong Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Long Ikisong. Asom Prakashan Parisara Dunmai Pucoli Halapin Karbi Lamet Pawar Angbong Lamet Aputak Kacingbai. Kardom Mid Express along Penili Villarban Krupi Nanarjuk Thabir Tangton Pen Tipurong Supi Beltola along Matijong ni Paike Thom Arni Jona Yatio nam Khorkar Jab Arni Katalona Sai Padopon Pasikat Salang Birta Nangli Jaimek Ateng Pen Dr. Robin Manta Besilama Pangjar Ponlo Chikimo Asai Long Long Kiram Rong Hang Pensi Japonlo Anparta Anerlo Por Pen Rodamai Pike Padoponahut Pinang Anabang Hubang Piatumta Chetong Dun Si Mailong RDP Dun
এখন প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিছে আৰু বিশেষকৈ এই নামঘৰটো প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰাৰ আচল যিসকল অগ্ৰণী ভূমিকা লৈছে তেখেতসকল কিন্তু নাৰী সমাজে এই নাৰী সমাজেহে আজি এইখিনি ইমান পৰ্যায়লৈ এইখিনি উন্নীত কৰিব পাৰিছে
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Penon Hejong MGN Regas Kimpen Pewas Blok Kacelenga Towar Keselam Japan Long Niadim along Long Ikisomasai Kedeng MGN Regas Kimpen Mitar Paro Ketham An Pewas Blok Pen Kacelenga Towar Keselam Pon Japan Borkok PWD Towar Pen Bura Bearong An Lapen Hatigar PWD Towar Pen Chohan Rong Piarong An Keselam Pon Japan Long Ikisom Long Ikisom Amai Long Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Harun Singh Be Pen Chenglok Penangan Kithiki Dingatum Chetong Dun Pusi Birta Riptun Long Karbi Anglong Alamet Pomar Pen Lamet Aputhak Kachingi Kachathan Japan Matijong Hini Arni Asom Prakashan Parisad Dun Maipu Sumanta Choliha Karbi Anglong Rongsupi Dipualong Nangpali
Adhonik Asumia Sandokos Ketok Abang Pucholi Halapen Karbi Alamet Pomar Ang Bong Karbi Alamet Aputhak Chinki Chathan Dedapi Mati Jong Nipai Inko Reser Kep Arni Guwahati Along Kepadoji Bokfear Along Karbi Apan Kapanong Lor Karbi Lamet Arani Padoji Pusi Alangli Choliha Pachini Tekan Dipu Karbi Tobang Aterang Ahin Penta Lamet Po Choliha Apan Kardom Chipidun Renti
Normalam Sopor Pandihina Parman Birta Mointon Mariksina Admission is open for the session of 2017 and 2018 at Asian Kids Tifu Rongkhalang. Forms are available. Parents and guardians are requesting to collect it from the Office of Asian Kids. All kinds of facilities like smart class, computer periods, playground, learning accessories with celebrations of various festivals to aware children, transfer provision, merit scholarship, annual sports, etc. So hurry up. Seats limitations 20 each. Date of admission for new students on 15th of December 2017. Last date of form submission is 14th of December 2017. For more details, contact at 8638727195.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Greenfield Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajang tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihenamo piputhar birtalong bangthulo telong hongnia dak keng kidong pahing hang pawisi non hejong West Karbi Anglong pen Meghalaya jape jahoy along kido ara Jayantia water list pen amen chingthan pontang lo pusikad news along pherang ke pen birtanang pali 1951 aningkan pen telong hongnia dak akeng kidong pahing hang ara Jayantia a water list pen amen chingthan rinti la pen Karbi Anglong asorpu chipu thiblo pusi alang litum pherang ke aphan than pachini Alang litum 1951 aningkan pen Jayantia pen kibi asitin bang phukang wai along wood joktun pining pen ke Karbi Anglong along simethanga dor kesua wood che jokpo lapen japet jahoy along kedo arada phan council penta nanglang nang po puta edut arleng kesar ningje.
Today I've been directed by my CEOs to have a hearing here for all the electors of the Rtiang Sanphao who are having the voters ID card from Meghalaya, that is West Jainhill District, Jowai. So we came to apprise them regarding the section 17 of the Representations of People's Act 1951, which says that no voter should have a dual elector or dual vote in any constituency. So with that intention, I came to clarify to all the electors in this village. And the village unanimously have decided that they wish to be in one place only, that is in Karbi Anglong. So they wish to surrender and to delete their name from the electoral roll of West Jainhill District under 1 Rtiang Assembly Constituency. That's all. Thank you.
Memorandum eta dile aru kune ji kole apunaloke hunile gangbora borgangbora 1951 pasot itu amar council puar pasot itu amar ase itu epic card titia tu ekeleke ami ekhom asilu 1972 pasot jitia Meghalaya state paisile tar pasote ho demarcation bhalke hua nasile kisuman jaga amar to ahisile kineka tapsot amar jitu amar aji gaongot lok paiso arting gaongot aji dekha paisu je rai se uthi ahise je ami itu Meghalaya tu na thaku okhomot thakim itu Karbi Anglong ami thakim itu dekhai dise apnaroke
Matijong ni pai hini arni ada porpai keba pormalam Bukajan Development Block pen kedeng MSDP suri hini da crate truck lapen crate truck signing kana baha Borjon MEC constituency angkang long crate truck Asia rahem kimi kikim kirang ponjia phat MEC long kitimung pen long ekisom Labang so sai long Bukajan Development Block Junior Engineer Mongol Taro Junior Engineer Hemson Terang lapen Bukajan Block Coordinator Harmon Ingtiatum Chirap Chitodun MSDP asagi claim kapang cheng ponjia phan long ekisom pon bomahut PDC Chairman Philip Teron Doloy Crow Bida Ingleng Chondro Ingleng pen cheng lok kithigi dinga tum chitong dun ada porphai cap apor pen upper hatoka LP School pen cheng pon si puthot Dilajan LP School upper HDP LP School pen cheng lok kapre ka school along long ekisom pang cheng pon Birta bang gila pasikang ton poniklo, like bom news channel, dome thakme kurang tu.